What's up, everybody? Day number 41. More ideas for follow up. Very, very important topic. Thank you for showing up today again. And I just want to let you know that following up is huge, right? I mean, we don't want to just form people. We don't want to just build them up, get into that invite. Um, you don't hear back from them, then what? You forget about them. But it shouldn't be that way, right? So, what you really have to do is in your contact list that you're maintaining, whether it be digital or on paper or whatever, make sure that you follow up with people, right? So, give them 2 days, you know, three tops, and then reach out to them. And don't just jump right straight into it and say like, "Hey, so have you thought about joining my challenge group? Like we're waiting for you." No, that's always awkward and it's not very, friendly, personable. Um, just remember some of the key points, some of the notes that you took in your contact list, or just read through the email chain from before, or messages, and kind of like pick up on some of the things that you formed them about, right? Like, hey, I know you've been busy. You have finals coming up, and this, and that, and you're up for this promotion at work, so you had a lot of stuff going on and some deadlines. So I just wanted to check in, see how you were doing, see if you'd given any thought to anything that we had talked about. Maybe continue the conversation a little bit more, before, then you throw that in at the end when you're just about done with everything else, and they're right there with you. Conversation's flowing, everybody's positive, and then you can follow up at that point and say, by the way, before I run out, I wanted to touch base and see if you had given any more thought to what we talked about the other day. Um, so thank you for connecting with me again, and this and that, blah blah. So the sky's the limit. Just do know that follow up is very, very important. You have to build and strengthen these relationships. They might not be ready at this point yet, still, and that's fine because you've already connected with them, uh, built that relationship a little bit higher, and next time you invite them, you're just starting off up here instead of down here, right? So then you take it from here up to here, right? And maybe they say no again. And then the third month you invite them again and you take it from here up to here. And before you know it, it's not going to take much. You're like, you know what? Sign me up. So um, call to action for today: take 1 hour, make as many follow up phone calls as you possibly can with people that you've spoken to in the last 30, 40 days. Um, Reward yourself when you've hit a minimum of 10 calls, right? In addition to these calls, let's make it a little bit more interesting. Let's throw in follow up with a few people from email or Facebook message or wherever it is you were communicating with them. But make sure you're getting them on the phone. All right, this is important. There's a reason why they say calls, and the phone gives you a better chance to connect with somebody on a more personal level, and it gives them less time, less distractions, because they're focused right there with you, right there and then on the phone, to say, you know what, all right, let's do it, or no. And there's less, guessing and game playing and back and forth. So go ahead, do that. Let us know if there's any other follow-up techniques that you've been using, what's working for you. And that's it. All right, you guys, so I'm excited. I'll see you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's video, which is going to be on being the CEO of your own Beachbody business. Ooh. Peace out. Thanks for watching.